Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past and present are certain to miss the future. Greetings to one and all on behalf of the Teresian family. It gives me an immense pleasure and with profound joy, I hereby present the e-module of our school magazine Expression Volume 12 for the year 2020-2021.
From the world of reality to the world of virtuality, technical aspect of learning has taken us far ahead of our times. With new challenges set forth by COVID-19, we double down our commitment to deliver excellence in imparting knowledge and took the first big steps and initiatives to instill knowledge during this पेंडेमिक। क्रंदन है इस वसुंधरा पर, हाल बड़ा बेहाल है, हर मानव भयभीत जगत का कोरोना का काल है। शिक्षा मंदिर बंद पड़े सब, यह कैसी लाचारी है, भीत विश्व का कण कण क्षण क्षण फैली जो महामारी है। संक्रमण की कड़ी जुड़ी है, कोरोना का जाल है, हर मानव भयभीत जगत का कोरोना का काल है। क्रंदन है इस वसुंधरा पर, हाल बड़ा बेहाल है।
The Teresian fraternity expresses their heartfelt tribute to the departed souls who went to heavenly abode during COVID-19 outbreak. May our condolence bring comfort and peace to the mankind. With no doubt, it can be said that this affliction has brought expostulation in our lives, which includes scuffle of the parents along with their children to match the pace of technology, combating trials like self-isolation in children, struggle for provision of gadgets and internet facility by the parents, financial distress as well as health issues.
For the teachers, the journey throughout the last year was a tussle to maintain a balance between their household work and online classes. Due to the issues like internet glitch, content creation, uploading videos on time, taking continuous live classes for long hours, power outage, etc. Despite all odds, the teachers were able to overcome these hassles and tried their level best to conduct flawless online classes, thereby bringing out the best from the students.
Amidst these situations came the moment for all of us to bid farewell to Reverend Sister Roshni. It was tough to bid adieu for the management and the staff members. We are really thankful to Reverend Sister Roshni for her valuable contributions towards the school in every possible way. It was then a cheerful moment for all of us as we welcomed our new principal, Reverend Sister Jomi, who dazzled as a ray of hope. As a great mentor, she took the charge and responsibilities of St. Teresa's School, Mansarovar, Jaipur, and guided the staff in a synchronized way during this tough time.
In the month of June 2020, CBSE declared the awaited results for classes 10th and 12th, and our students brought laurels to the school by giving excellent results for the academic year 2019-2020.
plays an integral part in a student's life. In order to bring out the hidden talents of our students, the management of our school ensured that the students participate in the co-curricular activities on the basis of virtual grounds, in the same way as they used to participate in the plethora of activities during offline sessions before the pandemic.
We successfully conducted various activities in which the students participated wholeheartedly on virtual grounds like Independence Day, Republic Day, talk show for classes 6 to 12th, NCC, Yoga Day, Red Day for Tiny Tots, Road Safety, Teachers Day, Children's Day, Foundation Day, Diwali celebration, Christmas celebration, and co-curricular activities for classes 1 to 12, which were organized in the month of June 2021. A great principal builds character, inspires dreams, encourages creativity, builds confidence, and instills a lot of learning. Our dearest principal has transformed the way of learning, thereby bringing out the best from the teachers as well as the students, so as to achieve the pinnacle and succeed in their lives. Hereby, we have our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Jumi, to share her valuable thoughts.
My dear members of the staff, parents and students, a warm welcome to a new scholastic year 2021-22. It gives me a great joy to meet you all through our school video portal. It's a great way to communicate and be creative. Enjoy it as we move on with our lives. I was always attracted to the thought, home is the first school and school is the second home. In fact, today it has come true. Coronavirus has altered our life, including our school system, teachers, children, and parents. Our homes have become schools and parents have become teachers too. Unimaginable. But it's a fact we have to live with now, and invariably it is happening whether we are rich or poor, far or near. E-learning has emerged as the best way of imparting education. It's hard to believe that an academic year has gone by without any physical classroom interaction between teachers and students happening in the school. The COVID pandemic has hit us hard. And how? The human emotions and growth dynamics related to touch, recreation, games and study smoldered slowly beneath a tense, unrelenting surface of the pandemic. However hard and challenging it may have been, we can say that we at St. Teresa School, Mansarovar, as with many other educational institutions, did not allow ourselves to be drawn into a mire of despair and inactivity. Regular programs and activities did happen, in most cases online, which did reflect the unflagging zeal and passion of the staff, students and parents at St. Teresa's for a well-grounded education. Our programs and important school functions recorded online and shared via the school YouTube links and Facebook page. Recently, in the pre-primary section, we celebrated Mango Day. After watching the YouTube video, one of our alumni remarked, "Each time I view a video of the school events, it reiterates the extent that the school goes through to provide holistic development of our students irrespective of the circumstances. Indeed, with God's grace, our efforts bore fruit in effecting the execution of our planned activities, classroom interaction, and other programs marked on the school handbook. Be assured that the management, teaching and non-teaching faculty of the school is working towards making the lockdown a meaningful and fruitful one. We will not leave any stone unturned in educating our Theresian family. I remain grateful to all the parents and well-wishers for your priceless support and cooperation at this moment. My sincere advice to the students: do not lose hope. Concentrate on the silver lining amidst the thickest and the darkest cloud at present times. We at St. Teresa School, Mansarovar, hope to see you all soon, refreshed and rejuvenated. Thank you.
As rightly said by Willie Nelson, when I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Keeping this golden quote in mind, we feel blessed to have our admin staff standing firm as pillars even during this turmoil throughout the year. They consistently came to school with all passion and positive work ethic, even when the teachers and students were engaged in asynchronous online learning.
चेहरे पर हरदम रहती हैप्पीनेस, साथ दे सच्चाई का, काम करे अच्छाई का। वक्त यूं ही बीते, रहम रहे खुदा का, उज्जवल भविष्य का सूरज उगाया, कभी ढाल बनकर हर मुश्किल से बचाया। आज कहते हैं इनको बड़ा सा थैंक यू, जिन्होंने हर परिस्थिति में मुस्कुराना सिखाया।
सपने ये आधे आधे कुछ तेरे कुछ मेरे, चल पड़ा है अपना कारवां। ख्वाबों की चादर बुन के सोई है नहीं ये पलकें, जिंदगी लेती अंगड़ाइयाँ। ओ छोटी छोटी बातों से, कच्चे पक्के धागों से मिल के बनाए अपना जहां। ओ टिमटिमाती शामों से, गुदगुदाती बातों से, रोशन अपनी महफिल अपनी दुनिया। खुशियों का है ये घर तेरा मेरा, रातों का ये जुगनू है सितारा। अपनी ज़मीं है आसमां तेरा मेरा। जोड़े हर लम्हा, जर्रा जर्रा करे बयां अपनी ये दास्तां। बावरों का सफरनामा, देखो पुकारती हमको नई शहर यूं ही। छोटी छोटी बातों से, कच्चे पक्के धागों से मिल के बनाए अपना जहां। टिमटिमाती शामों से, गुदगुदाती बातों से, रोशन अपनी महफिल अपनी दुनिया। खुशियों का है ये घर तेरा मेरा राहतों का ये जुगनू है सितारा अपनी